I got this wonderful iRobot Roomba vacuum robot, $6.90 for my birthday from my wonderful son Garrett. He gave it to me to help me out while I'm not here. So I'm so excited, and I just want to show you all what's inside here. If I can open it up. Open it up carefully. Oops. There we are. Oops. Backwards, possibly. Oops. Got a little cover. And we got some instructions. I'll give that to my husband to read, because I don't know how to read those things. And what else is in here? Plastic. Recyclable, thank God. Oh, I guess this is a docking station for it. Cool. I've seen how these things operate. And there is my Roomba in there with this little box. Oh, we got some power cords. What else we got in here? A box. I don't know what that is.
A laser?
Possibly. Batteries. Yay, it comes with batteries. That's good. It's like a toy at Christmas time that doesn't come with batteries. That must be a filter of some sort. It's going to have to filter out a lot of husky dog hair. That looks like a pick for hair.
A robot cleaning tool.
Cleaning tool, yes. And there is my iRobot. Hello, little guy. You are going to get a workout in my house. Carefully open it up so you don't break it. Drop it. Oh, it's got wheels on the bottom. I guess that helps it roll. Oh, hello, I feel some fingertips on the bottom. Wow, look at this shiny new little bugger. Yeah, look at all that. Sweet. Alright, Douglas, now is your turn to figure out how to make them work. What are you going to do? Read the instructions, I hope.